Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best vision board stickers is probably one of the most powerful tools you can use to manifest your dreams and goals into reality, transforming abstract aspirations into tangible visual cues that constantly remind you of what you're working towards, making the journey of self-improvement and achievement both engaging and inspiring. Number 5. Navy Peony Motivational Vision Board Stickers. Unleash your inner drive with these inspirational stickers. They are perfect for adding encouragement to your vision board, planner, or scrapbook. Get a generous supply of 270 stickers across 6 sheets. Each one is printed on high-quality waterproof paper with a beautiful matte finish. These stickers feature elegant calligraphy in shimmering gold and rose gold foil. The vibrant backgrounds add a touch of sophistication to your crafts. Use these carefully chosen affirmations to propel yourself forward or encourage reflection. They are wonderful for personal growth and support groups. Designed for go-getters, these versatile stickers include habit trackers and fun icons. They are perfect for any planner and will inspire your daily activities. With their premium look and feel, these stickers make an ideal gift for stationery lovers. They bring good vibes to both adults and teens. What we like. These stickers are designed to inspire and encourage. Featuring elegant script lettering in gold and rose gold foil on vibrant backgrounds, they add a premium touch to any project. If you're looking for a way to add a touch of luxury and motivation to your vision boards, planners, or scrapbooks, these are an excellent choice. What people say. The stickers are a great size for a vision board, not too big or too small. They have a good variety of images and words, covering many different goals and aspirations. The adhesive is strong and they stick well to paper without peeling. Number 4. In Your Dreams Vision Board Kit. Unlock your deepest desires and see your future unfold. This kit helps you bring your dreams into sharp focus. Transform your aspirations into actionable steps. It's time to map out your path to success with clarity and intention. Easily assemble a powerful visual representation of what you want to achieve. Let your imagination guide you as you curate your personal roadmap. See your goals come to life before your eyes. This is your tool to actively shape the reality you desire. Don't wait for your dreams to happen, make them happen. Begin your journey of visualization and goal setting right now. What we like. This kit is all about helping you bring your dreams to life. It provides the tools to visualize your ambitions and plan your goals effectively. If you are someone who thrives on structured planning and visual goal setting, this kit will be your perfect companion. What people say. Everything you need to create a vision board is included. The stickers, phrases, and words you can cut out are perfect to help you build a stunning vision board. Inside you'll find a fun guidebook to help you plan your vision board, stickers, and images to use to put your board together. Plus, the board, glue stick and tape are included too. Number 3. CKING Planner Stickers, Funny Adult Stickers. Tired of feeling overwhelmed? These stickers are here to help you finally get your life in order. Add some humor and personality to your planning. With over 500 unique designs, you'll have plenty of options to express yourself. These aren't your average planner stickers, they're designed for adults who appreciate a good laugh. Whether you're journaling or planning your week, these stickers add a fun and functional touch. They're perfect for making your everyday tasks a little more enjoyable. Looking for a gift that's sure to get a reaction? This pack is a guaranteed hit for any office party or holiday gathering. Give the gift of laughter and organization. Embrace your unfiltered side with these boldly designed stickers. They're a fun way to stay motivated and keep your commitments on track, no matter what. Stop letting your schedule run you. It's time to take charge with a little help from these witty and relatable stickers. Make your planner as unique as you are. What we like. These stickers offer a humorous and no-nonsense approach to planning. With over 500 funny stickers, they're perfect for those who appreciate a bit of irreverence. If you're looking for a way to inject some personality and humor into your planner, or need a unique white elephant gift, this pack is ideal. What people say. The adhesive is pretty good on them, too, but when I use them in my planner or journal I usually glue them down. Great stickers. Especially useful and fun for planners and journals. A great variety and a large amount of fun stickers to release a little bit of rage in a safe way, while giving yourself some laughs. Number 2. Essentials Planner Stickers. Start your day with intention. These stickers are designed to help you build positive habits and stay motivated. Transform your planner into a source of daily inspiration. Easily track your progress and celebrate your achievements. With 150 stickers in this set, you'll have plenty to keep your planner organized and exciting all year long. These vibrant stickers are perfect for any planner, journal, or calendar. Add a pop of color and personality to your planning routine. Make your goals a reality. Use them to mark important tasks, celebrate milestones, and keep your focus sharp. Streamline your daily tasks and to-do lists. These are the perfect tools to help you stay on track and feel accomplished. What we like. This set is designed to energize and motivate your daily routine. Featuring the bold phrase, "Wake up, kick-ass, repeat," and other empowering messages, it's perfect for kickstarting your day. If you need a daily dose of motivation to tackle your tasks with enthusiasm, this sticker set is for you. What people say. They are well made and colorful. The perfect addition. These are the best set of journaling stickers I've gotten so far. They're full of meaning, inspirational, and diversity. They have definitely enhanced my journal. The year is not over and I have hope, especially with these awesome, well-designed, high-quality, and inspiring stickers to get me through each day. Number 1. Essential 2019 Weekly Planner Stickers. Introducing our 2019 Weekly Planner Stickers. These stickers are designed to inspire and motivate you throughout the year. With a generous set of 160 stickers, you'll have plenty to organize your weekly plans. They are perfect for adding a personal touch to your planner. Each sticker features uplifting messages to keep you focused on your goals. They are a beautiful way to make your planning sessions more enjoyable. These stickers are essential for anyone who loves to plan their week. They fit perfectly into any standard weekly planner layout. Use them to mark important dates, tasks, or simply to add a splash of positivity. They are a simple yet effective tool for staying organized and motivated. What we like. This pack focuses on empowering belief and consistent planning. With the inspiring quote, "She believed she could," and 160 stickers, it's ideal for weekly goal setting. If you are looking for a gentle yet powerful reminder of your capabilities to guide your weekly plans, this set is a great fit. What people say. They also have faith-based ones which I loved too. A great way to spruce up your planner while also getting bits of motivation. Smiley face. Stickers came quickly. Love all the different inspirational quotes. Stuck them in my calendar for the upcoming school year. The stickers can be peeled up, if needed, but don't come off in their own. I love these stickers. They are colorful, cute, and motivational. Be aware that these are larger stickers, so they may not work in a small planner. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.